So this is what our chronic pain patients look like when they turn up. They're literally on their knees and their life has come to a complete standstill. Now, looking at this image, you can probably understand why CBT, ACT, amitriptyline would have absolutely minimal impact on this donkey being able to get back up on his feet again and get going in life. And it seems obvious that, this donkey's probably got knee pain, a dislocated hip, neck pain, ulcers on its mouth. And however, if you treat those symptoms and give him some cream for his ulcers and massage his knees and give him a hip replacement and give him some neck exercises, you can see why that's not going to solve the chronic pain problem. What's different about the mind-body approach is it looks at the reason why the donkey is on his knees in the first place and looks at all the load that he's carrying on his back, all those bricks, which is all the stress and trauma that the client is carrying in their life, which has just brought them to their knees. And you can see why the mind-body approach is quite different in how it addresses chronic pain.